Hello. You can use in Nomad Sculpt silhouettes alphas. Also for the brush you can use alphas. And you can also use in Procreate or in other painting applications pure black and white pictures for use in Nomad. I'm going to the gallery and for example, this is an example, this is only text, black, um, um, the word is in black and the canvas is white. And another example is this shape of the space shuttle. Okay, you can export it as JPEG, PNG, or yes, that's it. And then switch to Nomad. In Nomad, you can add a primitive, for example, a plane. Oh, what's this? Why is it? That's okay. The top view is okay. Make sure it's an orthographic view. And you can validate it. Make the resolution. For example, I take a 360 about. I remesh it, and I'm showing the wireframe. Okay, good, because the resolution of the object and the resolution of the brush alpha. You have to test it. The higher the resolution, the better are the results. You can go to the brush, not the gizmo tool, and the masking tool. You can select the brush, and then you can add a new plus, a brush alpha with a plus. You can go to photos, and I take the example text. Okay, it's already here, and then you can invert it also. In the settings of the brush, make sure that your fall off is like not like this. Make flat line. Okay, and in the stroke types, take the grab dynamic radius. Okay, and now you can, okay, the symmetry. Okay, this is the word example, and it's very it's bad. Okay, I'm going to the topology settings and abort. I subdivided. Okay, you need a higher resolution. Next test. It's a little bit better, and you can subdivide it again and test it out. You can make your own tests. When you got this, you can change your mask, invert it, and then you can go to the gizmo. In the gizmo settings, look, transform operation is vertex, not object, vertex. And then you can drag the word out. You can scale it. You can switch to the front view, take the split option, sorry, clear the mask. Okay, I got it. Then you can split, not split, trim. Why this square appears, I don't know. Take the rectangulars and cut the plane off and the top. Then you got a clear word, and then you can remesh it. Okay, and then you can smooth it. Okay, this is one example. I clear this, and I'm adding a new, add a new plane, make the top view, and I can validate it, subdivide it, subdivide it, and the mask, then I add a new brush alpha, and I take this, check the settings, grab dynamic radius, and so on. And then you can, symmetry is off, and then you can place your object on the plane. Okay, the resolution is okay. You can invert the mask, go to the gizmo and scale it up. Front view, and now you can clear the mask. No, come on. And then you can trim. I hope it's now closed. Yes. Then you can remesh it. In this, you can adjust the middle of the object. Okay, and now you can trim everything off you want. I take the lasso tool and I trim. Oh, I can make symmetry on. You can trim like you want. Yes, you can add another view of the shape and place it and use it as a reference. You can make the you can make it additive and take the opacity down, and then you can look through your objects and use the trim with the reference of the other object. Okay, I hope you understand. This is sometimes useful when you don't see everything through the model you want to cut. Okay, I hope it helps. Okay, ciao.